Hello guys, welcome to the final module of the KPMG Data Analytic program. I will be guiding you guys on how you can create a dashboard. Before we start the video, thank you so much for those who have subscribed. I am now at 30 plus subscribers. If you haven't subscribed, kindly do show me your support by subscribing. Thank you in advance guys. Now let us get into the video. In the previous video we visualized the data that we had analyzed. I also went ahead and added a graph for the wealth segment. Here it is. Now let us go ahead and do another visualization for the top sold brands of bikes. Sort out the data from the most sold to the least sold bike brand. And of course do not forget to add a title and label the axis. In our previous PowerPoint presentation we outlined some of the qualities that can be used to target high-value customers. This was based on the data analysis and data visualization that we had done. We are now going to use these points as a guideline to filter out the columns in the new customer sheets, so as to determine which customers are the best target. Let us go ahead and do that. Follow along. I missed one checkbox, but it is still fine. Now on a new sheet let us copy the data of the customers that remained after filtering. We are only going to use few columns. First and second name, job title, job industry category, address, postcode and state. When you are copying the data you can go ahead and use the lookup, VLOOKUP functions, or copy directly. I opted to copy directly. Let us add another new sheet where we will create our dashboard. This is a sales dashboard. Total number of customers. From Module 1, we found that there were 3,427 customers. Let us go back to the pivot tables sheets and copy graph on top brands. Let us copy the pie chart on gender. Then I opted to copy the bar graph on wealth segment. I am doing some bit of adjustment. I added an object below the graphs, but I will remove it later. Let us go ahead and add another bar graph on number of customers in each state. Remove the object, as well as the grid lines. Let us create a scroll bar for the data on the potential customers to be targeted. Select a cell on the dashboard sheet and copy the titles in the customer target sheet. Then insert a scroll bar. Drag the cursor where you want the scroll bar to be. Right-click on it. Then tap on the Format control. Then select Control. Current value, set it to 0. Minimum value 0. Maximum value, I have 40 customers, and I want to display 10 rows at a time. So it is going to be 40 minus 10, which is 30. Increment change, set it to 1. Page change 10. A cell link, select any cell. I prefer to cell in the sheet where we have the most potential new customers to be targeted. Now using the offset formula, select your first customer, the cell link, and make it absolute by adding the $sign. Then offset the column by 0. Let us go ahead and color the entire dashboard. Do some adjustment. Finally, let us add a bar graph on car ownership. Add a slicer and report connection. We will link the slicer to all the pivot tables. It is crucial to name the pivot table. That way to get to know which pivot tables to link. In my case, I didn't name them, I am therefore going to link all. After all that, go and copy the Sprocket Central logo, and paste it in our dashboard. Snip or screenshot your dashboard, save it for submission. Thank you so much guys for watching. If you found this video helpful, kindly do get me to 100 subscribers. And do not forget to give this video a thumbs up.